Hey guys, it's Andrew with Off-Grid Solar Smart House, and today I'm very excited for this one. We have the Anker SOLIX F2000. We're going to dive into the specs. We're going to test this thing out. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. This unit has a 2048 watt-hour battery, lithium iron phosphate, rated at 3000 life cycles at 80%. On the bottom right, we have 4 AC outlets, 120 volts, and 1 NEMA TT30 connector. The inverter on this unit is 2400 watt pure sine wave inverter and a surge up to 2800. On the bottom right, we have the DC output, and we get 3 USB-Cs at 100 watts each. And then we have 2 USB-As at 18 watts. And then we have 2 car sockets, and they're 12 volt, 10 amps, and we got this rubber dust cover. On the top right, we have the display button, and this just wakes up the LCD screen. Underneath that, we have the Bluetooth pairing button, and this unit has no Wi-Fi. Underneath the Bluetooth, we got the power saving mode, and this will allow you to conserve power when nothing is happening on the unit. To turn on the inverter, simply press the buttons, and then on the LCD screen, it lets you know the time remaining depending on the load you're running. On the top, you get a light bar, and it has 4 modes: low, medium, and high. And to turn it off, tap it again and hold it for the 4th mode, SOS. On the back, we have the solar and car input, the overcharge protection button, and the AC input. Now to open this, all you got to do is open up the drawer. And on the solar, we have an XT60 plug, 60 volts, 20 amps, 1000 watts of solar. And the AC, we can bring in 1400 watts. And then we have these large fan grills. And underneath this, we have the battery expansion, and we can actually bring this thing up to 4096 watt hours. On the top, we have 3 handles. You can carry it normally or push a button, and another handle pops out, and you could tote this thing around on its wheels. The wheels are really durable, and they're made out of this strong rubber, and the wheel is around 5 inches tall and can go over most cracks. To pull the handle out, simply push in on this blue button on the side, and the lever will pop out. Pull it out until it stops clicking, and then you're able to wheel it around or put it on its side. And then when you're done, I simply put it back to normal state, and then push this blue button in and slide it all the way until it locks back in place. The F2000 weighs 67 pounds, but feels like nothing when you're rolling it around. We get a user manual and a 5-year hassle-free warranty. We also get this swag pouch from Anker, and if we open it up, let's see what goodies await. We have this XT60 male, and it has 5 of them on there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then an XT60 female connector. We also get an XT60 female to car socket or car plug, and then the power cable. Now let's connect the F2000 to the generator transfer switch using this extension cable. The first thing that I'm going to do is take this extension cable and plug it into the F2000. The other end is right here, and it's going to go into the transfer switch. Now I'm going to turn on the AC. You heard the relay click. Now we can take it from line to generator. Let's go see what the F2000 is powering. Let's take a walk and see what the F2000 is powering. Right here we have the dining room light, And behind me, we have the living room TV and Christmas lights. In the kitchen, we have the kitchen light on. We have the living room light on. If we continue down here in the bathroom, we have the bathroom lights on and a fan. In the hallway, we got this hallway light on right here. In the office, we have the office light and computer. In the bedroom, we got the bedroom light and the bedroom TV. So we're powering 3 TVs and all the lights in the house, or most right now. Let's go back to the kitchen. Make sure the fridge is on. The fridge is on. Now we're gonna turn on the microwave. The microwave is on. Now let's go check the power station and see what kind of numbers we're pulling. Our house is using 2200 watts of power, and this inverter has no issues. The microwave just turned off and we're down to 600 watts. To download the smart app, all you have to do is open up your user manual and scan the QR code, or go to the Play Store and download the Anker app. To connect to the app, you can only use Bluetooth and you have to be close by. But with inside of the app, you have plenty of options to choose from. I really like the end time feature. This allows you to adjust from hours, 2 minutes, and even customize it. And when that time duration comes, the inverter will turn off. At the bottom, we can even turn on power saving mode, or we can even turn the flashlight on. And we have the 3 options right here. And then under the car port, I want to see if we can get the time off on there too. We can. So we can set an end time even on the DC inverter. On the top right, if we go to the settings, we have the AC recharge power. So this is how much AC power you're bringing in. And we're going to leave this at 1440 watts. And then we have the screen brightness. And we got medium, low, off, and high. We'll just leave it at high. And then we have the screen timeout. We can adjust it from 30 minutes to 5 minutes. We'll leave it there. The Anker has a built-in UPS, and my computer setup is plugged into the Anker, and then the Anker is plugged into the outlet on the wall. Let's see what happens when I remove the wall outlet and the computer's still on, which is good. I'm curious, guys, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the portable solar panels, the flexible ones, or the rigid solar panels? Let me know in the comments below. The next test, we're gonna kill 2 birds with 1 stone. I have a 300 watt solar panel outside, and I was bringing in around 285 watts, and we're discharging at the same time, so it does have pass-through charging. The next test we're going to perform is the battery efficiency test. We have the watt meter connected, it's reset to 0, and we'll come back in a little bit to see what we get. So after performing the test, we were actually able to get 89% efficiency with the AC inverter. I'm able to bring in over 1400 watts of power on the AC input, which is great, but you cannot dual charge this with DC. So keep that in mind. This unit prioritizes AC charging over DC. The Anker SOLIX F2000 is a premium power station. From the materials, to the wheels, to the pop-up handle, or the efficient inverter, it just feels like it's gonna last a lifetime. I really enjoy the app, and especially the end time. You could set a timer for the inverters to turn off at a specific time, and you can customize that time. It's really great. Now, if this product could improve, it would be for the solar input at 60 volts. It does make it difficult to max it out. I would have liked to have seen it around 100 to 150 volts. Overall, I really like this product. I love wheeling this thing around on its wheels. Snag $600 off the Anker SOLIX F2000 plus a free gift, and enjoy savings up to $1,500 in the link in the description below. Once again, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.